Thank you for reaching out to TMI Trucking Equipment in Norfolk, Virginia. This is a new Isuzu NRR gas 6.6 liter, 19,500 pound capacity truck. So the truck, the body, and the cargo can have a combined weight of 19.5. So you have plenty of capacity for this truck. The body is an 18-foot body. It is 85 inches tall and 96 inches wide. This is what we consider a contractor or foundation repair truck. So you have a step in the back, in the middle of the bumper, that allows you to step in and out like a regular set of stairs to give you easy access to getting in and out of the back of the truck. The full plywood lining allows you to mount shelves up against the walls easily. You have a pull-out aluminum ramp system that will allow you to easily load big cargo. The rear bumper is a wide workbench style platform that allows you to do repairs on equipment there. The truck has a catalytic converter protective cage around the exhaust system to reduce the chance of theft. Because this is not a diesel, you don't have to worry about DPF system cleaning or buying diesel exhaust fluid. The cab is a 3-man cab with removable seat protectors on the seats to give you longer life and allow you to take them off and wash them to keep the inside of the truck cleaner. This truck is in stock in Norfolk, Virginia. Please give us a call to see it.